Solubility in water. Solubility of a solute in a solvent at a particular temperature is the amount of solute in grams that will saturate 100 grams of the solvent at that temperature. Solubility is the amount of solute in moles that will saturate 1 dm³ of the solvent at that temperature. Substances differ in the extent to which they dissolve in water. The substance can either be soluble, slightly soluble, or insoluble at a given temperature. 1. Soluble. A substance is soluble in water if it can easily dissolve in water at a particular temperature. Example, table salt and sugar. 2. Slightly soluble. This is when a given amount of substance is not easily dissolved in water at a particular temperature. Example, calcium sulfate. 3. Insoluble. A substance is insoluble in water if a given quantity does not dissolve at a particular temperature. Example, chalk dust. Let us look at the calculation on solubility. "25 grams of a given salt is needed to saturate 60 grams of water. Calculate the solubility of this salt." So yes, solute 25 grams. Amount of solvent equals to 60 grams. Solubility is given by amount of solute divided by solvent, amount of solvent times 100 grams. So this will give us 25 grams divided by 60 grams times 100 grams. Solubility will be equal to 41.7 grams at 25 degrees centigrade. Factors affecting solubility. The following factors affect the solubility of substances. 1. Temperature. The solubility of solids increases with increase in temperature of the solvent. This is because heat makes the solid particles to move faster, thereby making them to dissolve faster. 2. Stirring. When a glass rod is used in stirring the solutes, it dissolves faster. 3. Powdering. If a solid substance is ground into powder, it dissolves faster in the solvent. 4. Nature of the solvent. Oil dissolves in ethanol, but it cannot dissolve in water. Crystallization. Crystallization is a process by which a hot saturated solution of a salt is cooled to form crystals of the salt. This happens because at low temperature, a solution cannot hold as much particles as when it is hot. A crystal is a small solid particle that has a regular shape and is bounded by definite faces. Example, sodium chloride. The following is a list of solvents for common substances. In all cases, the uses to which the solutions are put is stated. Iodine is dissolved in alcohol to make a tincture of iodine for cuts and bruises. Wax is dissolved in petrol and used in cleaning. Rubber is dissolved in benzene and used for mending punctures and for making raincoats. Paint is dissolved in turpentine to remove paint. Grease is dissolved in carbon tetrachloride and used in laundry and dry cleaning. Sulfur is dissolved in carbon disulfide used in preparing crystals of sulfur. Fat or oil dissolves in paraffin or kerosene, and this helps to remove stains. Celluloid is dissolved in amyl acetate, used in cellulose paints and spraying cars and aeroplanes. Sweet-smelling oils, example, lavender, dissolves in alcohol, used in making perfumes. Procedure of crystallization. Crystals of salt can be obtained as follows. Heat the salt solution in a test tube to obtain a hard saturated solution. The solution is saturated because some of the solvent evaporates. The hot saturated solution is cooled under a tap to obtain crystals.